I made it. Another day, one more down. Madaming pinagdaanan, madaming pagsubok, pero hindi huminto at sumuko. I'm stronger than I think, but the reason why I wake up every day is because God ain't through with me.
I'm going all the way. I'm going, yeah, my blood is rebel. I'm going all the way. I'm going to another level. Let's go to another level. Gotta get my hands dirty. To another level.
Hindi pa siya tapos sa akin, simula pa lang ito. Sawa ka na rin ba sa kung anong meron ka ngayon? Well, there's one thing we can do. You got to change tomorrow.
Chainbreaker, earthshaker, rainmaker. Yeah, another level. Chainbreaker, earthshaker.
Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
I'm going all the way. I'm going, yeah, my blood is rebel. I'm going all the way. I'm going to another level. To another level. Let's hit it.
I am John Timothy Teya, proud agent of hope, and I am World.